Never give up on your dreams, for they are the very essence of your soul's aspirations. Your dreams are the lighthouses guiding you through the stormy seas of life, and here's why you should never abandon them. 1. Passion ignites purpose. Dreams are born from your deepest passions. They give meaning and purpose to your life, making each day more meaningful. Without them, life loses its luster. 2. Resilience builds character. Pursuing your dreams means facing adversity head on. It's in those challenging moments that you discover your true strength and resilience. These qualities will serve you in all aspects of life. 3. Inspiration to others. Your journey toward your dreams can inspire others to follow their own aspirations. Your persistence can become a beacon of hope for those who witness your unwavering commitment. 4. Regret is a heavy burden. Regret for not trying is a burden that grows heavier with time. Don't let the what ifs haunt you. Chase your dreams so you can look back with pride, knowing you gave it your all. 5. Innovation and progress. Many of the world's greatest achievements started as dreams. Your pursuit of your dreams can lead to innovations, discoveries, and progress that can benefit not only you, but also society as a whole. 6. Personal growth. The journey towards your dreams is a path of self-discovery and personal growth. You'll learn more about yourself, your capabilities, and your limits than you ever would by playing it safe. 7. Fulfillment and happiness. Achieving your dreams brings a sense of fulfillment and happiness that few other accomplishments can match. It's a feeling of having lived life to the fullest. 8. Legacy. Your dreams can leave a lasting legacy, inspiring future generations to reach for the stars. Your actions today can ripple through time, leaving a mark on the world. There are times when you would meet failure, but you won't be able to taste the fruits of success if you quit right then. It's okay to fail, but the ones who quit would never see success. There would be situations when you feel like giving up. Don't do it. Be prepared for the worst. Only then will you be able to witness the best. You will face several hassles in life, but don't let those obstacles pull down your spirit. Take each hurdle as a challenge and give your best to overcome it. Every time you feel like giving up, remember the reason for which you started. You may think to quit, but don't. There is no logic in giving up midway. If you give up before you have even reached your goal, all your effort to reach where you are now will go in vain. Try to take every circumstance in a sporting way. You may witness hurdles, and that's what life is all about. It is absolutely okay to feel low at times, but if you quit, all your efforts so far will go for a toss. This is when you should take a pause and think if giving up is worth all your efforts. It would surely be, I know. This is when you should mold your mind towards achieving the goal. Keep walking until and unless you see the result. Do not give up in the middle of the race. Keep running till the time you have reached the end. If you win, you will achieve. If you lose, you will take lessons. Thus, from the next time, if you ever feel like giving up, remember the reason you did start. If you have crossed so many hurdles and reach here, you are sure to manage the rest as well. All you need is to keep your spirit high and you are bound to hit the goal. Ladies and gentlemen, today, I stand before you to remind you of something incredibly powerful, something that can ignite a fire within you when the world seems dark and your spirit feels weary. I want you to remember why you started. Yes, remember the very reason that set you on this path, the purpose that fuels your journey. When life gets tough, and it will, and you find yourself on the brink of surrender, remember those who doubted you, those who said you'd fail. Remember their voices, not to dwell in negativity, but as a source of motivation. Prove them wrong. Show them the strength that resides within you. And when the weight of the world makes you want to give up, don't. Instead, Take a moment to reflect on why you embarked on this journey in the first place. Recall the dreams and aspirations that lit a fire in your heart. You owe it to yourself to keep pushing forward, to stay committed to your goals. In the face of adversity, when quitting seems like the easiest way out, remember that pain is temporary. It may hurt today, but that pain is shaping you into a stronger, better version of yourself. With every challenge you overcome, you are building a stronger body, a sharper mind, and a more resilient character. So my friends, don't let pain deter you. Embrace it, for it is a sign that you are growing, evolving, and becoming the person you were meant to be. When that last rep feels unbearable, when fatigue creeps in, remember, it's nothing compared to the greatness you are destined for. Push harder. Push through, for you are capable of more than you can imagine. Excuses. Leave them at the door. Too tired, too hard, too busy, too early, too stressed. These words have no place in the vocabulary of champions. When you feel like quitting, remember all those people you need to prove wrong. Recall the things you're fighting for, the dreams you refuse to let slip away. Sleeping in. That's a luxury reserved for others. You're up, you're ready to conquer the day, because quitting is a path chosen by those who lack heart. And you, my friends, do not quit. You are warriors on a relentless journey towards your greatest self. Remember why you started. Harness that motivation and march forward with unwavering determination. Your greatest physique, your greatest achievements, they await you, but they are only attainable if you refuse to quit. Stay focused, stay determined, and let your greatness shine. Consider subscribing to our channel and hit like button. Thank you.